what's going on? It's Jessie Lee. You can call me #BossLee. And today we have a keto kitchen where I'm gonna make Jessie Lee's world famous Brussels sprouts. What's up, YouTube? It's Jessie Lee. You can call me #BossLee. And I hope you love the video you're about to see. I'm pretty sure you will, because it's always content over here. I want to tell you about a couple other things, specifically one that you can also get some more value from. And all you need to do, and you can do it now, just pause this video, is go ahead and text YouTube to 844-277-9762. I'm going to be really upping the text game, and it's literally me texting you back. So if you want to have a more one-on-one conversation with me, enjoy the video, subscribe, comment below, and make sure you text YouTube again to 844-277-9762. This was supposed to be like a secret recipe, but we'll keep it our secret, right? So first of all, we do need some bacon. So I'm just gonna open up some bacon. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. Air fryer on bacon setting, very easy. I love the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, not a big deal, okay? Don't worry about it. You can cook bacon however you usually do, whether that's stovetop, whether that's in the oven, whatever. However you like to cook bacon, just cook bacon. So I'm probably gonna do, I'll do like 3 slices of bacon, should be good. So 3 slices of bacon, you just throw them in the air fryer. So easy. Maybe I'll fill it. Maybe I'll do a whole stack of bacon. So why not? I mean, if there's anything you can't have too much of, it's bacon. All right, get this in here. How's everyone doing? You can comment below. If you have a recipe you want me to cook or some kind of keto food you've been looking forward to eating, you can let me know. Bacon setting, let it roll. I'm gonna wash my hands again because, well, bacon is raw. All right, so I actually like to make this a little crispier, so I'm gonna add it to, I'm gonna turn this up to 10 minutes. 10 minutes on the air fryer to make my bacon a little bit more crispy. All right, now here's where the work begins. This is not the fun part, but it is what it is. So I have my big bag of organic Brussels sprouts. I get these from Costco. We're gonna do about half the bag. Okay, so if this is 2 pounds, we're gonna do about a pound of the organic Brussels sprouts. Okay, you can microwave these. That is not what I'm interested in doing because, like I said, we are making Jessie Lee's famous Brussels sprouts, and so this is what's required. On these Brussels, they're fresh, so cut off the ends, first of all. I like to do things kind of like an assembly line, so I like to cut all the ends off first. I'm gonna push this to the side because we need shallots as well. So shallots they're like red onion, they're like little baby, I don't know, they're in the onion family. That's all I really know about shallots. They are so delicious when they are cooked down. I could sit there and just eat shallots like candy. So I won't, because that's, you know. Now, if you really like shallots like I do, you can add extra. We will add extra. I would say you could probably use half of a normal size shallot if you're kind of just gonna add the shallots for flavoring. Like I said, I love onions. I love anything in the onion family. So we're gonna use an entire shallot in ours today. All I'm doing is peeling off the skin that is not purple. Okay. And these we're just gonna dice. Even if you don't think you like onions, I would suggest you give caramelizing some shallots a try. They're so, so yummy. If you don't have shallots, can't find shallots in your grocery store because of quarantine or something like that, not a problem. You could use a red onion. Like I said, they're in the same family. Okay, I've got noise over here with my butter. My butter is ready to go. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take all these Brussels, I'm going to put them in the butter. I'm gonna reduce the heat to a medium-low. This, of course, is to taste, so don't overthink. Pink Himalayan sea salt, of course, because it has the minerals in it. And I actually don't have a lid that fits this pan, I don't think. So we're gonna do it a little bit ghetto style, which is all good. It works just as effectively. We're on medium-low. I'm gonna take a pan, pizza pan, on top. Awesome. Back to shallots. All right, so you can hear the butter over here ready to go, nice and bubbling. We're just gonna take all of our shallots. Again, I really like the onion family, so I like to get it all up in there. I feel like I could sit there. This would be a nice snack of mine, but you don't want to eat that many onions, but I really, really could. Oh, I love onions. Like, even already smelling this, I'm freaking out. It smells so good. So we are on medium right now on this. I'm gonna keep it there, and we're just going to caramelize these shallots. So super easy breezy. We're gonna make those brown and cooked down. Our bacon is totally done. Perfect, ready to go. I'm gonna actually take this out though to let it cool because we want to be able to crumble it. So we're just browning the shallots. This is my favorite thing. I could probably munch on these all day. They're just on medium heat, butter, shallots, literally that's it. Make sure occasionally you're coming over here and you're stirring these. I would say you probably will let the Brussels cook down for about 10 minutes, again, on medium-low heat with a cover on it so they're getting steamed. It is already starting to smell ridiculously good in here, if I could say so myself. Compliments to the chef. That's me. So same thing, just browning the shallots. I like them a little maybe more overdone than other people do, but again, we're talking personal preference. At the same time you're doing this, preheat your oven to 350. These shallots are pretty much done, so I'm just gonna turn off the heat, and I'm actually gonna put them into the Brussels, let them all cook together in a little pot of buttery shallot-y love. So for sure, you can test them to see if the Brussels are soft enough for your liking. For me, I'm actually doing a 60-hour fast right now. It's a really good keto hack I do every month. So I'm cooking for the squad. I'm not even cooking for myself right now. So I might have to ask somebody to taste test one for me, but usually it's about 8 to 10 minutes is how long you're gonna be steaming for. So the Brussels are cooked. That was about 8 minutes. And now is when the magic happens. So this is already good. I would say 99% of people would eat these and be like, those are the best Brussels ever. Well, we're just getting started, friends, because this is Keto Kitchen with Jessie Lee, and Jessie Lee knows how to throw down in the kitchen, okay? So we have our Pyrex bowl. You know, this dish, since I only did a pound of Brussels like you saw and 1 shallot, we're looking at, I'll tell you what size pan this is actually, because I know some of you will want to know exactly. So we've got, I think it's an 8x8. Yes, it is an 8x8 Pyrex, which is perfect for 1 pound. This is great probably for a side dish for maybe a family of 4 or something like that. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take heavy whipping cream, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use probably about a 1/4 cup. I don't want a super, super dairy heavy dish, but there's gonna be, you know, cheese and stuff too. So we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, Pour that in there. I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of the Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. I love this. This is like one of the secret ingredients to it for sure. Simply because it has kind of that tangy taste to it. You know, it's like a tangy cheese. So let's get all this out of here. This is Tillamook white cheddar. So you can get any white cheddar cheese you want to. I like Tillamook. I think it tastes super, super good. We're just gonna take 2 slices of their white cheddar cheese and I'm going to crumble it. Really easy to do. Crumble it up, 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 crumble it up. And now we're gonna take the bacon. This is actually probably too much bacon. I think the 3 slices was perfect. So I'm gonna do 3 slices of bacon, breaking it up, breaking it up, breaking it up, crumble, crumble, crumble. That's why you want it to be extra crispy. That's again why I think the air fryer is perfect for this. Because if it's not crispy, it just doesn't do the same thing you're trying to get it to do. All right, so I'm gonna wash my hands really quickly, and then we're gonna blend this all up. All right, so all I'm doing now is I'm mixing all of my cheeses, my cream, my bacon, my Brussels, my shallots, my salt, my pepper, my butter. That's all was in here all together. And I will tell you, I mean, I can smell this already. These are so perfect that whoever gets to eat these is gonna be so happy that I am in their life. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Here we go. Wanna know how I got Alexander? I cooked for him. All right, so it looks like this. This is pretty much perfect for now. 350, we're gonna put it in there for about 15 minutes, and then we're ready to eat. All right, we'll put it in the oven for 15 minutes. These are totally done. They are so perfect. And you can see the cheese bubbling, the bacon bubbling, the Brussels browned, and we're gonna let some people eat it. I am fasting for 3 days, so I cooked all this food, not for myself, but I have a little bowl here, and I have a feeling we need a bigger bowl, but that's okay. I am going to give the one and only Alexander Lozenko. Come here, darling. Because look, if it's terrible, he'll tell you it's terrible. If it's good, he'll let you know. So here's your spoon. And
I eat it with a spoon.
Well, I'm putting it in your bowl for you. What do you want?
Can I get some bacon?
There's bacon in there, darling.
All right.
But yes. All right.
It's real hot.
It's really hot, but let's see. It's super hot.
Like you.
Oh, I love you. It smells so good. He just blew it in my nose.
Oh my God. Bryson, you gotta try this, man.
I'm gonna give him some. He just doesn't want to be on camera.
Whew. Wow. Or maybe not.
It'll all be
Leave
gone.
it all for me.
Good? Kiss the chef. I love you.
Delicious.
So this is Jessie Lee's famous Brussels sprouts. I created the recipe, so if you like it, tag someone below. They're super easy, super delicious. Everybody always, always loves them. So if you enjoy this, make sure you subscribe, check out more Keto Kitchens, and if you need anything, holla at me in the comments below. Bye, guys.